Hello, my name is Angie Frickman, and I'm just going over a couple of things for if you're curious about what your child should register for next year after geometry. So, the first option would be if this is for current geometry ninth graders, is intermediate algebra. If your child has not taken this course, they're willing to, or and they can take this course. How do you know if your child should take intermediate algebra? If during geometry class you feel that your child or your child feels like the algebra within geometry was very difficult, this is a great resource that we have for you. A lot of times, students who have gone through Geometry 9 and then took intermediate algebra and then took algebra 2 their junior year, either honors algebra 2 or algebra 2 with their junior year, they found a lot better foundation on their math skills and they found it easier to feel confident in their math. If you're not sure what your child should do, you can always ask their current math teacher. Uh, Next two options are algebra 2. This is the most common class taken after geometry. It does move at a slower pace. We do have a hybrid option next year, which means that there are some days that some students will not meet during the class period. If you want to know more about the hybrid option, you would need to talk to Mrs. Frickman. There are certain rules during that hybrid, though, also. After Algebra 2, typically students will take function sets and trig, otherwise known as FST. If for some reason after Algebra 2 a student wants to take pre-calc, they have to receive or earn an A in both first and second semester of Algebra 2. Our last option is Honors Algebra 2. This is a great course to be challenged. It is a higher pace. In order to take Honors Algebra 2, every student has to get a B or higher in all previous math courses. If you did not, I would talk to Mrs. Sharpen or to the office to see if you can still take Honors Algebra 2. It does, again, move at a faster pace. A lot of times I will tell students it is more as a lesson, and then a quiz, a lesson, quiz, and then maybe one day for review for the test, and then take the test. One of the reasons that they do this is because they have more material that they get through. They have an extra chapter in both first and second semester that Algebra 2 does not get to. If you wanted to take pre-calc the year after honors algebra 2, you have to earn a B or higher in both first and second semester. It is important to know that if you earn below a B first semester in honors algebra 2, you do get removed from that course and you get moved into algebra 2. It is also important to know that if you do not take honors algebra 2 at the beginning of the school year, you cannot be placed in honors algebra 2 a second semester. So if you are wanting to do honors algebra 2, you need to start honors algebra 2 at the beginning of the school year. If you want to, you can move to algebra 2 at midpoint, even if you have a B. That's up to you. Again, you can always talk to your teacher about that. This will also be an option for a hybrid course next year. If you want more details about the Honors Algebra 2 hybrid course, then you can talk to Mrs. Sharpen. Either way, you can always talk to your current math teacher, whoever your student has at this moment, to see what would be a good option for your child. Have a great day.